How to use Instantly.ai. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll be talking about Instantly.ai, how to get started, how to use it, and pretty much just an overview of Instantly.ai. So let's just get into the video and get started. So basically, if you didn't know, Instantly.ai is a platform that is going to help you engage with your clients much easier, and you'll have tons of tools to do so, and tons of things that you can actually do when it comes to analytics, engagement. There's a lot. Let me just show you instead of just trying to say. Here the summary here: find, contact, and close your ideal clients. Mostly with your leads and stuff, you can just have a lot of warm ups and be able to actually be engaged with them in a very powerful way. So some of the things that you can see here, we have the ability to have unlimited accounts, which is crazy, but we can actually go ahead and see the pricing for that and everything in a sec. You can have more stuff here that you can read about if you want to just head over to instantly.ai and check out the features that they can actually provide. For example, the campaign analytics, the sales accelerator, which is included with Instantly, and it's just going to help you quite a lot. So I think it's best for us to just dive into the pricing first, so you know what to expect when it comes to how much we would be paying for it. So basically, for sending in warm-ups, if we just go to the monthly, we have the growth, hyper growth, and light speed. The thing is, with the first plan, you actually do get the unlimited email accounts and unlimited email warm-ups. And then we have the other stuff which can actually increase, which is going to be the uploaded contacts, which is going to be 1,000 with the growth, and then 5,000 for emails per month. And then we have more stuff here as well. If you want to compare all of these plans, you can feel free to do so yourself. You can, I believe you have here a more detailed comparison. And for leads, you have these as well. If we just go to the monthly, we have growth leads, supersonic leads, hyper leads, and light speed. Just go ahead and check out which one suits you best in your business, and feel free to actually go ahead and subscribe to them. Now, the thing is, you can actually go ahead and start for free, completely for free, for 14 days, and then you can feel free to upgrade if you feel like Instantly is the actual platform for you. Now, to sign up for free, we can just click on Get Started or Start for Free in the main page. And you will need to fill in a few things here, like first name, last name, email, and password, and then agreeing to the actual terms of use. I will just do that and get back to you once I'm done with the signing up process. So once you successfully sign up and verify your email, you should be taken to this page where they automatically log you in, and they should show you some setup steps here. But I didn't do any of them. I'm just going to show you exactly what you need to do. So let's just talk about the actual dashboard that we have here. So here you have the list of the workspaces that you have. The default one should be My Organization, but you can feel free to create a new workspace if you want. Now, you will see this screen a lot when when you're using the free trial. There's going to be a lot of features that you cannot even test, but those are not really required when it comes to testing. Remember, the free trial is just to test the waters before you actually upgrade. So you will see this a lot where we will need to upgrade to use a specific feature. But here you can just go ahead and actually create your workspace, a different one for that matter. So on the left side, we have our main page here, home page if you want to go to here. Lead Finder, which you can actually go ahead and start searching for leads. You have plenty of filters to go through and set up, and it's just going to show you plenty of results. Now, again, with the free version, it's not going to show us the actual results. It's just going to show us how it works. I will get back to this in a sec. Next up, we have email accounts. Remember where we have unlimited accounts, so we can add as many as we would want if we actually upgrade. Now, here you can just add all of them in this section here, which is email accounts. Here we have campaigns where you can actually go ahead and create new email campaigns from scratch and also manage pre-existing ones. So here you will find the list of all the campaigns that you already have, create a new one, or manage an existing one. Unibox is going to be the primary mailbox basically for all the emails that you have in your email account. And you can also filter through different filters that are existing in here. And we can see all the emails at once. This is very, very useful because it's not going to be, you know, usually you would want to go through each email individually to check on the mails that you've been getting. But here, this just makes things a lot easier because you can just check one Unibox for all the emails. So let's say you have 10 email accounts here. You don't really need to go through each one of these 10 emails. You can just check them all out from here. So next up, we got to the analytics, which is also a very important one. Instantly does a very great job in tracking many different analytics here, as you can see: total sent, open rate, click rate, reply rate, and opportunities. And you can also see the amount. So we have account analytics and we have campaign analytics. For account analytics, you can also see them from here. We have lead management. Here you can see the list of all the leads that you have, and you can actually go ahead and manage them. And we have CRM beta, which I've never really tested out, so you can actually go ahead and check this out if you want to. If it's for CRM, I believe you can actually go ahead and manage a lot of things, for example, emails, SMS, and so on for communication. And in here, lastly, we have the bugs. If you've experienced any bugs, you can actually report them from here. But we have the instantly accelerator, which is going to help you out in all of these fields here. So you can just go ahead and learn more about it. Lastly, we have your icon here, where you can actually go ahead and set up your profile settings, your account settings, and so on, notifications, and also you can get to the mobile app for the Unibox. And if you want any help, you can go to the help center anytime. So using it instantly is very simple. You can just go ahead and get started by adding your email accounts. To do so is very simple. Just click on email accounts, click on add new on the top right. And then here you would want to select the service that you want to use or the email service that you want to connect. So if it's Gmail or Suite, whatever this is, you can just go ahead and do this from here. Office 365 and Outlook, you can also do them from here, or any different provider. You can also do them from here. This is Suite, by the way. I just remembered for some reason. So you can just click on Gmail, for example, and follow the steps, or Office Outlook, and again, follow the steps. So this is going to be for your email accounts. Add them all in here. You have the Unibox, like I said, you can actually view all the emails at once. And then we have the campaigns. To create a new one, click on add new from the top right. And you can go ahead and give it a name, test, campaign. Click on continue once you're done. And here you can have the list of the leads, and you can actually go ahead and add leads, which we will be using Lead Finder to do so. We have sequences, which is going to be the emails that you are going to send out, and the actual sequence is going to be fully automated, which is actually great. And you can set up the time period between step 1 and step 2. For example, step 1 is going to be the subject is test subject. And then here we can actually add the body. So body of text. This is going to be email 1, which is step 1. You can also add variants to each step if you want. But we can just move on to the actual next step and send next message in 3 days or 4 days. There you go, 4 days. And then we go to step 2 and we just click on it, set up the subject, set up the actual body text, and click on save, and we have our sequences good to go. Schedule is going to be also for scheduling when you want to send out emails, and we have some options here to choose and set up things with. For leads and analytics is self-explanatory. Like I said, you can also view it from here to see overall stats. But we can always just go to campaigns, click on the one that we want, go to analytics, and we can see exactly what's going on. Now for the lead finder, if we just go to lead finder on the top, we can actually go ahead and search for a specific lead, not specific lead, but sort of almost specific, you could say, using these titles and filters. So we can just go ahead for the job title, we can just do CEO, we can do location, industry. Let me just do whatever filters that I see ahead of me, just so I can show you exactly what I mean. Employees from 0 to 25. Revenue is going to be 0 to 1 million. And let's just leave it at this. And you can see, you can just right away, you can see a lot of leads here that you can actually go ahead and tag. You can just filter through them, select all if you want, and add to campaign. And then you can just go ahead and select the actual campaign that you want to add them to, basically. And this is pretty much how to go ahead and use Instantly. Well, this is the basics of Instantly, but this should get you started. So I hope that you have liked this video, and thanks for watching.